Cloud Explorer Dual Pane Mode. The Dual Pane toolbar button splits the image pane into two panes to view two images of the same location simultaneously. The image orientation, type, and capture year can be changed in each pane separately. Each pane has its own navigation buttons for changing the orientation of the image in that image pane, and its own timeline for selecting an available image date. Click Dual Pane in the toolbar to activate this mode. To resize the image panes, move the mouse over the middle divider bar that separates the left and right panes. Drag the pane separator bar to the right or left. The images in both panes stay synchronized on the same location as the images panned in one pane. They also stay synchronized at the same zoom level when the zoom level is changed in either pane. You'll always be viewing the same location in each pane. When you pan or zoom in one pane, the other image will follow suit. Click Dual Pane in the toolbar to deactivate this mode. For more information about how to use EagleView's Cloud Explorer, please view our other training videos.